we are so excited to see you at Open House. Our specialized instruction students will be able to come earlier in the day, and the rest of our families will be welcome from 2 to 6. We can't wait to see you tomorrow, so come on in.
Hey everybody, so we'll have this second door open tomorrow for the flow of traffic. So you can come in by the Eagle mural or go in through the front door, your choice.
Hey Chestatee families, welcome back. Grab a checklist and a map and come on in.
Hey everybody, if you get to the T and you're not sure of your teacher's name, no worries. When you come into the front lobby, we'll have a table here in front with some teachers who can look that up for you. Also, if you are a new student, stop off and see our 3 counselors, get your picture taken in front of that fun background, and then head on in to visit your class and your teacher. The most important thing that you do is visit your child's classroom and meet the teacher tomorrow. Those teachers cannot wait to see you.
Hi everyone, Miss Williams here. We are so excited to welcome you for Open House. Right now I'm standing in the cafeteria. This is where you're gonna come tomorrow if you need a book bag or you want to learn some things that are happening here at school. We have car rider information, bus information, cafeteria information, yearbook, all kinds of things related to school. You will find it right here in the cafeteria.
A new student and you didn't get a car tag in your child's folder in the classroom, stop by the cafeteria and the ladies at the car rider tag table can help you, no worries at all. If you were here last year and can't find your car tags or need some more, stop by this same table and the ladies will be able to help you. They'll give you more car tags for $2 each, either cash or on My School Pay.
Hey everybody, if you need help with Parent Portal, just come on into the Media Center during Open House.
You'll be able to find Nurse Kristen in the clinic tomorrow with the help of Miss Kristen Williams. If you have allergies or questions or medications, stop by the clinic and Nurse Kristen, the other Kristen, will be here to help.
Gym is all set up for our PTO, nonprofits, and partners in education.
Jeremiah Zeiss will be here tomorrow after Open House. Families are invited to purchase a treat as they leave. It's going to be a great day. You can meet them at the flagpole in the front, which is between both entrances.
Checklist complete. We'll see you tomorrow.
Woo!